Girls on the beat. Tiwa Savage on this one, yeah.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm QB. So today we're going to be doing a brow tutorial, obviously, and I'm going to be using this spoolie brush to brush up my brows in the direction that I want my brows to fall. So I'm just brushing up and then brushing slanted into the direction that I want the hairs to fall into. I actually just got these brushes a few days ago from AliExpress. I will put the link down in the below in the description below, so you guys can get the brushes. So I'm using this angle brush to line my brows. I'm going to be using my Body Shop 2-in-1 gel liner to line my brows. So as you can see, I'm just going ahead and I'm lining my brows, first starting from the middle of my brows and dragging it out all the way to the end of my brows. As you can see, I'm doing this in very, very light strokes, and then I'm going to give myself a tail, and then I'm going to go ahead and get started on the top. So I'm just going ahead and I'm just outlining my brows right now. And don't worry if you make a mistake, you know, we can always clean it up with some concealer. Most of the times when I do my brows, it's really not perfect until I clean it up with concealer, and then it's like almost perfect, but don't worry about that until you get to the concealer part. So now as you can see, I'm going into the front of my brows and I'm going ahead and making a line so that I can have my gradient effect. And what I mean by that is, you know, the front of your brows naturally grows really light compared to the middle and the end. So you want to make sure that you're doing the same thing when you're filling in your eyebrows. Make sure that your brows are going from light to dark. So I'm just going ahead and using that spoolie brush to get that effect. Now I'm going to go ahead with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Beautiful Bronze. And I'm going to go ahead and use my flat brush to clean up my brows. So as you can see, I'm starting from the front of my brows first, and then I'm going ahead and I'm using light strokes to clean up my brows in the direction that I want it to go, all the way to the end of my brows. You really want to make sure you're taking your time with this so you don't mess up the work that you've already done filling in your brows. And now I'm going to be going ahead with my Fenty Beauty foundation. This is in the color 460. I'm going to put like half a pump on my hand, well, on the back of my hand, and I'm going to go ahead and clean up the top of my brows. I like to use a darker concealer for the top of my brows so I don't get like this white concealer cast on the top of my brows. I like my brows to look as natural as possible. That's the goal. Okay, so there goes my brows. I'm just going to go ahead and blend this out real quick, just showing you guys the difference between my undone brows and my real brows, and my filled in brows. So now I'm going to go ahead and just blend out the concealer a little bit, and now I'm taking this fluffy brush. It's a little dense, so the brush is not too fluffy. It's like it has a little, it's like packed really densely, so you want to make sure you use that type of brush. And I'm just going ahead and I'm blending out my concealer from bottom to top, and there you have it, guys. These are my brows. This is how I fill in my brows, and yeah, just went ahead and did my second brow, and there you guys have it. Let me know how you feel about this video. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you guys so much.